Actress Ankita Lokhande took to social media on Sunday to put an end to speculations about her possible participation in the upcoming season of the reality show Bigg Boss. Ankita issued a statement on Instagram denying the possibility of her participation in the show, calling such rumors baseless. It has come to my notice that certain sections of the media have been speculating that I will be participating in Bigg Boss this year. I would like them and everyone at large to know and make a note that I am not going to be part of the show. The rumors of my participation are baseless. People have been too quick to send me their hatred for something I am not even a part of, reads Ankita's statement. The actress' statement comes just a few days after speculative reports emerged claiming Ankita might take part in the next season of the controversial reality show, along with actress Rhea Chakravarti, both the actresses being ex-girlfriends of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput, who passed away in June last year. Bollywood actress and fitness enthusiast Disha Patni on Sunday shared a picture on Instagram flaunting perfect curves in white bikini. In the image, the actress is seen sporting a white bikini rising out of water. The Malang actress looked stunning as always. Disha's post currently has over 1.9 million likes on the photo sharing website. Disha recently posted another throwback picture on Instagram that captured Disha in a silhouette frame rising out of water in a bikini with her hair splaying droplets of water in a symmetric arch. The sun in the backdrop accentuates the beauty of the picture. The actress was recently seen in Salman Khan's Eid release of the year, Radhe. She also has Ek Villain Returns along with John Abraham coming up, and will be seen in the Ekta Kapoor produced heroine-centric drama Katina. IANS report. TV actress Nisha Rawal has registered a complaint of domestic violence against estranged husband, TV actor Karan Mehra, and Mumbai police have filed a case against him. According to the complaint filed on June 25, Nisha has made allegations not just against Karan but also on his family members Kunal Mehra, Bela Mehra, and Ajay Mehra. Apart from allegation of violence against Nisha, the complaint states Karan withdrew over rupees 1 crore from her bank account. According to a media report, the police have made no arrest so far. Earlier in May, Karan was arrested after Nisha reported at Mumbai's Goregaon police station that a bleeding injury on her forehead had been inflicted by him. Karan had later been let out on jail. In a press conference, Nisha subsequently had also made accusations of extramarital affair against Karan.
Unfortunately, Karan has been having an affair with another girl, जो मुझे नहीं पता था. And अचानक मैंने उनको देखा, जो भी मेरा प्रूफ था, मुझे ज़्यादा डिटेल्स में नहीं डिस्कस करना है, तो उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया कि हाँ मेरी लाइफ में एक लड़की है. तो मैंने कहा कि कुछ फिज़िकल रिलेशंस या ऐसे कुछ भी, या क्या ये एक सीरियस अफेयर है, या फिर ये एक कभी होता है, यू इमोशनल, या कभी ऐसा कुछ है कि वंस इन अ व्हाइल इज लाइक नो, आई लव समवन एल्स, आई हैव बीन हैविंग माय फिजिकल अफेयर विथ हर. तो मैंने कहा कहाँ से ये लड़की, कब मिले आप उसको? तो ही सेड वो दिल्ली से. और जब करण चंडीगढ़ जाते थे शूट के लिए, जो कि वो शायद अक्टूबर से जाने लगे अपने नए शो के लिए, तो पहली बार उन्हें ये मौका मिला कि अपनी फैमिली से वो दूर रह सकें. दैट्स हाउ इट ऑल स्टार्टेड.
Actor Sherlyn Chopra, Poonam Pandey, her husband Sam Bombay, Payal Ghosh on Sunday visited the vaccination campaign organized for specially abled people by Rubina Akhtar Rizvi. Sherlyn opted for an ethnic outfit for the event. She met the medical staff there and also interacted with a specially abled person during her visit. Poonam Pandey with husband Sam Bombay, Payal Ghosh too interacted with the medical staff present there. Poonam and her husband Sam Bombay had recently distributed ration packets to the needy people. During the media interaction, Poonam said that she and Sam are again planning to do a similar initiative in order to help the needy people.
हमने वापस एक सिमिलर चीज़ प्लान की है. We found a very a slum area in Dadar, और हमने सोचा क्यों ना वहाँ पे भी जाके राशन बांटा जाए, जो इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट वीक प्लान कर रहे हैं.
Poonam also revealed that they are also planning to organize a vaccination drive for 100 people.
Planning to do a vaccination drive, ज़्यादा नहीं, for 100 people. इंशाल्लाह वो भी प्रॉपरली हम वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, because it has to be safe. बहुत सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रख के we have to do that, कि वैक्सीनेशन उनको प्रॉपर मिले, सही वैक्सीनेशन मिले. सो अभी वो सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स चल रहे हैं.
Budding actress Tara Sutare on Monday was spotted by the shutterbugs in Mumbai's Bandra area. The Marjawa actress looked stylish as always. The actress was seen in a black printed strappy top, teamed up with a pair of denim. She accessorized it with a side bag. Tara has 3 films coming up: Tarap, Ek Villain 2 and Heropandi 2. Tarap is Milan Ruthria's remake of the Telugu hit RX 100. The film marks the Bollywood debut of Sunil Shetty's son Ahan. In Mohit Suri's Ek Villain 2, she co-stars with John Abraham, Disha Patni and Aditi Roy Kapoor. She has also been roped in for the second installment of Heropandi. The film stars Tiger Shroff and is directed by Ahmed Khan. The actress, who is reportedly dating actor Aadar Jain, made her Bollywood debut with Student of the Year 2, co-starring Tiger Shroff and Ananya Pandey. She was also seen in the action film Marjawa. Actress Alia Bhatt is happy to be back on the film sets. On Thursday, Alia shared beautiful pictures of herself as she wrapped up her day. Dear post-backup shot, so blessed and grateful to be back to work in full swing. Alia captioned the post. Take a look at her stunning pictures. Alia will soon be seen in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi. She will also be seen in Ayan Mukherjee's adventure Brahmastra, Bahubali director S.S. Rajamouli's RRR, and Karan Johar's multi-starrer Takht. She is all set to turn producer too with Darlings, a mother-daughter drama that features herself alongside Shefali Shah. Alia co-produces the film with Shah Rukh Khan. Actress Deepika Padukone is known for her impeccable style. However, recently we got to see her prankster side too. On Thursday, Deepika did a funny prank on her hairstylist. She offered him spicy raw mangoes to eat and recorded his reaction. The actress took to her Instagram handle to share the video. Take a look at this funny video.
What happened, Yani?
My whole mouth is burning. My mouth is.
Okay, what are you having?
Raw mango. This is masala and salt.
Don't be so inquisitive. Just
Uh-huh. Why do you like this?
don't you like it? It's yum.
This is spicy.
Deepika has several high-profile films lined up over next months. She will be seen opposite husband Ranveer Singh in 83, which accounts the saga of India's first Cricket World Cup win in 1983. While Ranveer plays the team's captain Kapil Dev, Deepika says Kapil's wife Romi. She also stars in a yet-to-be-titled film with Amitabh Bachchan and Prabhas, and in Shakun Batra's untitled Next with Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi. Deepika will also team up with Big B in The Intern, while Fighter cast her opposite Hrithik Roshan. According to reports, she will also be seen in the Shah Rukh Khan starrer Pathaan. B-Town celebs, whenever step out of their houses for their shoot or some other work, they always adhere to social distancing norms as much as they can. One such celeb is Gauhar Khan, who always follow the COVID protocol whenever she steps out. Recently, when Shutterbugs asked Gauhar to remove her mask and pose for them, Gauhar denied their request and said, "Sir, आप कौन से टाइम पे चल रही हो, वो तो देख लो."
मैम 2 मिनट मैम 2 मिनट वेट फोटो है
मैम थोड़ा सा मास्क
इधर मैम सेंटर
मैम थोड़ा मास्क निकालें
मैम सेंटर नहीं यहाँ पे
सर आप कौन से टाइम्स में चल रहे हैं वो तो देख लो, फिर बोलो मास्क उतारो।
जी
Gauhar is quite active on social media. The actress is also known for not mincing words and putting forth her opinion without any hesitance. Actor Shahid Kapoor took to social media on Thursday to share insights of his shooting schedule in a fast-paced 20-second video. "Unmasking 20 seconds of my life," wrote Shahid on his Instagram account with 30.6 million followers. Shahid's behind-the-scene video shows him on a film set navigating in the pandemic with his face mask on, says Shahid at the end of the video wearing a black mask. The video shows glimpses of Shahid reaching the film set, getting out of his vanity, shooting and interacting with the people on the set, and in the end getting back to his car to head home. Shahid will make his digital debut with a web series directed by Rajan DK of the Family Man fame. He will next be seen in the film Jersey, also featuring his father Pankaj Kapoor and Mrinal Thakur. Fitness enthusiast and social media influencer Krishna Shroff, who is the sister of Bollywood star Tiger Shroff, makes her screen debut with the music video Kinni Kinni Wari. The video celebrates womanhood and Krishna says it was a perfect concept for her to be part of. The song is sung by Rashi Sood and it also features Jannat Zubair, Jamie Lever, Nagma Mirajkar, Raj Shokhar and Tanvi Geeta Ravishankar. Talking about her music video debut, Krishna said, "I honestly could not have thought of a better concept to be part of my music video debut than this one." She added that it was an absolute pleasure coming together with 5 other ladies to showcase strength in such a unique and fun way through the absolutely fire track. An ode to all women who suffer heartbreak, the video embodies breaking the mold and conveying the message that heartbreaks are universal but we rise above it. The music video is streaming on YouTube. Several B-Town celebs have been actively helping people cope up with the COVID crisis. Recently, actor Tiska Chopra distributed rice packets among the theatre workers. During the media interaction, Tiska said that theatre workers take care of us when we come to theatre to enjoy movies. But sadly, due to the pandemic, theatres are completely closed, and at this time, it is our responsibility that we help theatre workers in these testing times.
आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान में फिल्म्स का जो रोल है वो इतना बड़ा है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है. हम लोग अपने फैमिलीज़ के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ थिएटर्स में जाते हैं और वो हमारी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा होता है. और वही थिएटर वर्कर्स जो हमारे को इतना ध्यान रखते हैं हमारा एंटरटेनमेंट का, इसका उसका, उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है कि ये सब हुआ है. तो आई थिंक हमारी जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि बिकॉज़ ये डेली वेज है या रेगुलर एम्प्लॉयज़ भी हैं तो भी बिकॉज़ ये फुल्ली शट डाउन है। कोई और पता नहीं, अब डेल्टा वेरिएंट है, थर्ड वेव है, तो कुछ पता नहीं है कि कब खुलेगा। सो इंडिया गेट बासमती राइस के साथ आई हैव दिस एसोसिएशन एंड दे अग्रीड वेरी काइंडली टू गिव दिस 1500 kgs ऑफ राइस। अभी और भी अपेक्षा है कि जहाँ जहाँ से भी मुझे पॉसिबल होगा मैं कोशिश करके थिएटर वर्कर्स के लिए ज़रूर करूँगी, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली मेरी रोज़ी रोटी थिएटर से ही चलती है।
Talking about her upcoming project, Tiska said,
अभी एक वेब सीरीज़ है, फिर एक फ़िल्म की शूट है। आई थिंक इन अबाउट 10 दिन में शूट शुरू हो जाएगा। मैं दिल्ली में थी पैंडेमिक के टाइम पे, मुझे खुद कोविड हुआ, मेरी पूरी फैमिली को, बट वी ऑल रिकवर्ड और अभी सेफ्टी और प्रिकॉशंस के साथ वैक्सीनेशन करवा के सारे यूनिट को वैक्सीनेट करा के बायो बबल क्रिएट करके शूट करेंगे, विच इज़ परफेक्टली फाइन।
Actor Vicky Kaushal is a true Punjabi at heart. The Uri actor recently took to his Instagram handle to give netizens a sneak peek into his Friday morning as he jammed to a popular Punjabi song. Vicky is seen perfectly lip-syncing Simran Kaur Dhadli's song Barood Vargi in the video. Vicky's video is going viral on social media. On Thursday, Vicky began shooting for his next film, The Immortal Ashwathama. The film will be directed by Aditya Dhar. Sharing the photo, Vicky wrote, "When the director's really serious about casting you in the film, prepping to be the immortal." Vicky will also be seen in Sardar Udham and a biopic of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. He also has an untitled comedy too, opposite Manushi Chillar. After making her Bollywood debut in the film Jawani Janeman, Alaya F will feature in Hindi remake of Kannada hit thriller U-Turn. Alaya took to her Instagram to share the news. She wrote, "Sometimes in life taking a shortcut is not the only way ahead. Think twice before you change the course of your journey and take a U-turn." The original starred actress Shraddha Srinath in the lead. The Bollywood remake will be produced by debutant Arif Khan. The film is backed by Cult Movies, which is a new division under Shobha Kapoor and Ekta Kapoor's Balaji Telefilms, which produces new age and edgy content. The film is expected to go on floors tomorrow. Celebrity couple Gauhar Khan and Zaid Darbar are currently enjoying their honeymoon in Russia. On Sunday, Gauhar shared a series of romantic pictures with Zaid. "Love in Moscow," Gauhar wrote alongside the pictures. In the pictures, Gauhar is seen wearing yellow sleeveless top paired with denim pants and a sling bag, while Zaid is seen wearing beige sweatshirt and pants. They also shared a kiss in front of the iconic St. Basil's Cathedral in one of the pictures. Gauhar got married with music composer Ismail Darbar's son Zaid Darbar on December 25 last year in Mumbai. Soon after their marriage, the couple faced a tough time, with Gauhar's father, who was unwell for a while, passing away. Actress Mandira Bedi has changed her profile picture on Instagram to honor her late husband Raj Kaushal. Raj died on Wednesday morning after suffering from heart attack. A prayer meet was held at Mandira's residence on Saturday, which was attended by her parents and actress Moni Roy and Vidya Malvade. Raj and Mandira's kids, Veer and Tara, too, were clicked by the paparazzi outside their residence. Mandira performed the last rites of her husband Raj Kaushal. Raj is survived by his wife Mandira and two children, Veer and Tara. The couple adopted Tara in 2020. Raj directed Bollywood films such as Anthony Kaun Hai, Shaadi Ka Laddu and Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi. Bigg Boss 14 winner Rubina Dilek has shared a stunning picture on Instagram flaunting her perfectly toned figure in blue bikini. She accessorized her look with multiple neck pieces and a bracelet. Rubina tied her hair back in a messy bun. In her post, the gorgeous actress mentioned that she's longing for a vacation and a beach. Rubina's photo has been clicked by her husband, Abhinav Shukla. Rubina's fans and followers are going gaga over her bikini photo. Her friend Nikki Tamboli too reacted with fire emojis. Rubina had tested positive for COVID a few weeks back. She was in Shimla and had quarantined herself there. The actress kept her fans updated about her health. Currently, Rubina is seen in TV show Shakti Astitva Ke Ehsaas Ki. Kareena Kapoor Khan on Monday took to Instagram to share a new poster for the upcoming film Bhoot Police, featuring her husband Saif Ali Khan. The actor will be seen in the role of Vibhuti. Sharing the picture, Kareena wrote, "Don't fear the paranormal and feel safe with Vibhuti." In the image, Saif is seen wearing a leather jacket paired with black shirt. The actor can be seen flaunting an intriguing avatar. The film also stars actress Yami Gautam, Jacqueline Fernandez and Arjun Kapoor. Shoot for the film began in last November and was completed by February 5. The film has been shot across Himachal Pradesh, Mumbai and Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. The horror comedy film has been directed by Pawan Kripalani. Actress Alia Bhatt took to Instagram on Saturday to share her emotions as a debutante producer. The actress makes her debut as producer with the self-starring Darlings. SRK took to his Twitter handle to repost Alia's post and asked her to sign him for her next production. He wrote, "After this production, please sign me up for your next home production, little one. I will come in time for the shoot and be very professional, promise." Responding to Shah Rukh's tweet, Alia wrote, "I could ask for nothing more. Done deal signed. Love you, my favorite." Darling stars Alia with Shefali Shah, Roshan Mathew and Vijay Verma. The film is co-produced by Shah Rukh Khan's production house, Red Chillies Entertainment. Actress Vaani Kapoor has shared a hot throwback picture of herself on Instagram. The actress uploaded a picture in yellow bikini top paired with white pants, looking tanned and sultry. "Summer blaze, it's quite a haze. Throwback," she captioned her post. Vaani currently enjoys a fan following of 4.1 million on Instagram. The actress has been receiving praises galore from her followers and colleagues. The actress has a big lineup in the months ahead. She will be seen in Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui alongside actor Ayushmann Khurrana. She will also be seen in The Bell Bottom starring Akshay Kumar and in Shamshera with Ranbir Kapoor and Sanjay Dutt.
अभिनेत्री आलिया भट्ट इन दिनों अपनी आगामी फिल्म गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी को लेकर काफी सुर्खियों में है। हाल ही में उन्होंने अपनी इस फिल्म की शूटिंग पूरी की है। वो अक्सर सोशल मीडिया पर अपनी फिल्मों से जुड़े अपडेट फैंस के साथ शेयर करती रहती हैं। गुरुवार को भी उन्होंने अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल पर मोनोक्रोम तस्वीरें शेयर की हैं। तस्वीरों में वो पोज देते हुए बेहद खूबसूरत दिख रही हैं। आलिया की यह तस्वीरें फैंस को काफी पसंद आ रही हैं और सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो रही हैं। आलिया फिल्म RRR और ब्रह्मास्त्र में भी नजर आने वाली हैं। वह डार्लिंग्स के साथ निर्माता बनने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। आलिया इस फिल्म को शाहरुख खान के साथ को प्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं। एक्ट्रेस गौहर खान सोशल मीडिया पर काफी एक्टिव रहती हैं। हाल ही में गौहर लोखंडवाला कॉम्प्लेक्स के बाहर स्पॉट हुई। इस दौरान गौहर वहां मौजूद पेपराजी पर भड़कती नजर आई। गौहर फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए पोज करने से कभी मना नहीं करती, मगर इस बार जब उनसे फोटो क्लिक करवाने के लिए मास्क हटाने के लिए कहा गया तो उन्हें गुस्सा आ गया। फोटोग्राफर्स की क्लास लगाने वाला वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है। वीडियो में गौहर एक ATM के बाहर नजर आती हैं और फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए रुकती हैं। इस दौरान उनसे एक फोटोग्राफर मास्क हटाने के लिए कहता है तो गौहर भड़क उठती हैं और कहती हैं,
मैम 2 मिनट वेट फोटो है
मैम, थोड़ा सा मास्क
मैम सेंटर
मैम, थोड़ा मास्क निकाल
मैम सेंटर।
सर आप कौन से टाइम्स में चल रहे हैं वो तो देख लो, फिर बोलो मास्क उतारो।
जी